The University of World Economy and Diplomacy, in cooperation with the ADB and a number of organizations in Tashkent, hosted an international conference, The Prospects of Development of International Commercial Arbitration in Uzbekistan. The conference, the goal of which was to look for alternative ways of reaching settlements for disputes outside the courts, convened international experts, representatives of the parliament, ministries and agencies, as well as business and banking sphere. Next is our report. The conference discussed the role of international arbitration in protection of investors' rights, the recognition and execution of foreign arbitration courts' decisions, and the mechanisms of resolving disputes between an investor and the state. Also discussed were the current trends in international commercial arbitration, development of dispute settlement arbitration institutions, the role of defense lawyer in arbitration courts, and improvement of legal basis of international commercial arbitration. The conference's main goal is to provide information to wider public about international arbitration and to identify problems in this area and to discuss them and eventually come up with relevant proposals. Foreign experts spoke about international arbitration rules and provided information about foreign countries' legislation on arbitration and on ensuring the execution of decisions of the arbitration. Arbitration is an alternative way of finding settlement for disputes. For example, among entrepreneurs, if any stakeholder's rights is violated, they can turn to any state courts to restitute their rights, but there are also other alternative ways, such as mediation institution or court of referees. Similarly, an arbitration institution acts as an alternative mechanism that finds settlement for disputes. Experts responded to questions of the conference participants. They also discussed the ways of continuing cooperation in the area in future.